자, 오늘은 신의 능력이란 수식어가 전혀 아깝지 않은 꼬마들의 무대를 보겠습니다. 루마니아 갓탤런트를 충격에 빠뜨린 13살 이리나, 루가텔 시즌 11의 우승자 아나마리아, 그리고 영국 갓탤런트에서 눈물을 흘리게 만든 천사꼬마의 골든 버전 무대 함께 시험 가겠습니다. 렛츠고! 자, 영국 갓탤런트를 충격에 빠뜨린 꼬마소녀.
How are you?
Very excited.
Good. And what's your name, please?
My name is Malachi. I'm 13 years old and I'm a singer from London.
Ooh. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
When did you decide, Malachi, that you were going to be a singer?
When I was 7,
What happened?
I joined my choir
Yeah. And then what?
and then I started singing.
Yeah. So this is what you want to be full time?
Yeah.
Who have you brought with you today, darling?
My mum and my sister, they're in the audience.
Hello, ladies. All right. No more questions, I promise you. Good luck.
자, 오디션 곡은 주님 자비를 베푸소서. Very nice. Very nice. 와, 이것이 천국의 소리인가?
Okay. Malachi. Is there any one word I could use to describe that? Golden.
사이먼의 골든 버전. 야, 이거 다시 봐도 멋있네요.
Amanda.
That was a stunning performance.
Stunning.
Totally flawless, very composed.
I don't know what you're channeling, but whatever is pouring out of you was so heavenly and beautiful. I actually went into a trance.
I agree. It was like being in heaven.
That was stunning.
Really touched me, and it's very simple. You sang like an angel.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you for coming on this show.
Thank you.
Think about yes. Lovely golden button. Amazing.
자, 루마니아에서 날라온 천사소녀.
Hello. Hello. Hi. Very nice to meet you. Who are you? Tell us all about you.
My name is Ana Maria Marjan. I'm 13 years old. I come from Romania, and I'm the winner of Romania's Got Talent Season 11.
Oh, wow. Congratulations.
A lot of pressure. Crazy pressure.
This is Waldo, my risky dog.
Yup. I rescued her.
I rescued you. The filter told me on Instagram and TikTok. I hate ticks. He is so difficult. She's my personal assistant. Waldo, I'm in charge. Yeah, but Anna, listen. You don't own me. I'm not just one of your unicorns. You don't own me. I kinda do. Don't tiny do, 'cause I'll never stay. You can't even sit. She's still in training. Muzzle it. I'm trying to sing here. I don't tell you what to say, and I don't tell you what to do. So just let me be myself. That's all I ask of you. 'Cause I'm young, and I lost to the young. I always say it hurts to be free, to live my life the way that I want to say and do whatever I please. But you don't know me, no. You don't know me, no. You don't know me.
야, 맞는 캐릭터네. 야.
Incredible.
Wow. I mean, no wonder you won. I mean, you are
Thank you.
incredible. I mean, you're gorgeous. You can sing so beautifully. I love your furry friend. And it was funny too. I love all the banter and the jokes. Thank you. You were laughing.
I was laughing, and I cannot believe your story that you just started doing this during lockdown. Like, this is, you don't even have 2 years under your belt.
That's right.
That is amazing. And how did you get the puppet? Did your parents buy it for you?
Well, my mom actually made it for me.
She made
It
that?
is particularly cute.
It's not a real dog.
She is a ventriloquist. Yes.
Simon doesn't understand how these things work. The fact that this was something that you looked up online, the fact that you were inspired by people you saw on America's Got Talent, you are an AGT All-Star. The super fans are gonna love you.
Absolutely. I love today, all of you, because you're all so competitive. And for me, I loved seeing someone who's won from another country come to America to compete again. It's just really, really exciting when you see the best of the best compete with each other. And you are really funny, and I really like your dog.
Thank you.
No, I really do. I mean,
Have your
seriously.
mother make Simon one.
I will ask her, but I'm sure she'll say yes.
Wow.
Oh, look how he's begging,
Begging.
so nicely.
He's begging. Best of luck to you. Thank you.
Thank you.
자, 루마니아를 충격에 빠뜨린 꼬마소녀 1위나.
Bună seara, bine ați venit!
Bună seara, bine v-am găsit.
Cum vă cheamă, domnișoară?
Irina Murgu.
Și de unde veniți?
Vin din Odobei, județul Vrancea.
Cu ce te ocupi în afară de școală?
Eu cânt muzică clasică.
Vă place și altfel de muzică sau doar asta?
Da, eu ascult și muzică pop, dar mie cel mai mult îmi place clasica.
E prea ușor, nu? Să cânti muzică pop, nu?
Da,
E mult mai ușor.
da.
Da. Noi am ales drumul ușor, așa că abia așteptăm să te auzim, să vedem
Mare
ce înseamnă
drag,
drumul greu.
Succes!
자, 오디션 곡은 아베 마리아.
Oh
와. 대박.
Da, ți-ai ales drumul greu, dar drumul greu sună atât de frumos. Angelic, aș putea să spun. Ești foarte frumoasă și cânti extrem de frumos.
A fost divin. A fost foarte frumos.
4 de da, ne vedem în etapa următoare, Irina.
Vă mulțumesc. Mă bucur că v-a plăcut.
야, 말도 천사같이 하네요.
Și ne vedem la bal.
La revedere.